Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to enable dark mode on CoinMarketCap application. To enable dark mode on CoinMarketCap, open up the CoinMarketCap application and make sure that you're inside the homepage signed into your account. After you are in, tap on the profile icon at the top right hand corner, and in the expanded menu, tap on the toggle button right next to dark mode. After you do that, you will be able to enable dark mode immediately. Now your CoinMarketCap app interface will be appearing into a dark theme. You can always get back to the same menu and toggle off the button if you ever want to get it back to light mode. And that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.